Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today we'll be looking into the types of the interval. At very first we do have the first type, that is open. Then we do have a type close. Then we do have a type semi-open, semi-close. Then again we have a type that is semi-close and semi-open. Now, after looking on these all terms, you will guess one thing, that in first and second type, we do have some sort of countations or calculations, while on the third and the fourth one, we only have the partial indulgence of the both open and close. That's correct. This is the same situation. At very first, when you're talking about open, let me give you an example. A is equal to open interval, and we can consider 1, comma 2. Now in this condition, what we'll guess is that in this whole set, I have told you in previous video that interval is basically not only set of 1 and 2, it is the set of numbers all in between 1 and 2. So whenever there is the round bracket or open interval, we will consider all numbers in between the 1 and 2, not exact 1 and 2. Now what do I mean? Just suppose just after 1 upon 2, we do have a number that is 1.11 and 1, or maybe 0.11, 0.000000 and 1. We'll start considering numbers from that number, but we won't consider 1 in it. I hope this is clear to you. Let's move on. On the other hand, when we are talking about the closed set, what does that mean? Just consider 1 and 2. Now in the closed set, it is clear that in this whole set 1 and 2 are also considered. Now the set will start from 1 and 1.00001 and then 1.00002 and so on. So this is called the closed set. On the other hand, if we are talking about semi-open and semi-closed, what does that mean? Now, as I stated before, that this is the partial indulgence of both open and same. So here, the 1 won't be considered since it's in front of the open set or open bracket, but we'll consider 2 in the whole situation. I hope this is clear to you. We'll consider the 2, or we could say we'll consider the 2 in the set but won't consider 1. If we talk about really a reciprocal, or if we talk about semi-closed and semi-open, it's the opposite, where we put the curly bracket first and then the round bracket. Now in this situation we'll consider 4 but we won't consider 2. This was the whole introduction of the semi-open, semi-close and open and close, and I hope that you get it, and thank you so much for watching our video.